Maintaining a healthy diet plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, and it becomes even more important when it comes to preventing diseases like cancer. While there are various factors that contribute to the development of cancer, including genetics and lifestyle choices, the food we consume can significantly impact our risk. In this video, we will explore 15 cancer-causing foods that should be avoided to promote a healthier lifestyle. 1. Processed meats. High consumption of processed meats like hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal and stomach cancers. These meats often contain additives and preservatives, such as nitrates and nitrites, which can potentially damage DNA and promote cancer growth. 2. Soda and sugary drinks. Excessive consumption of sugary beverages like soda not only contributes to weight gain and obesity but also increases the risk of cancer. These drinks contain high amounts of refined sugars, which can lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which are associated with cancer development. 3. Deep-fried foods. Foods that are deep-fried at high temperatures produce harmful compounds like acrylamide, a potential carcinogen. French fries, potato chips, and fried chicken fall into this category. Opting for healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or grilling can significantly reduce your exposure to these harmful compounds. 4. Red and processed meats. Red meats, including beef, lamb, and pork, have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. Their high saturated fat content and potential carcinogens formed during cooking contribute to this risk. Choose leaner cuts of meat and limit your consumption of processed and red meats. 5. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta made from refined flour, have their bran and germ removed, stripping away essential nutrients and fiber. These grains have a high glycemic index, leading to increased blood sugar levels and potentially promoting cancer cell growth. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread for a healthier alternative. 6. Artificial sweeteners. While many people turn to artificial sweeteners as a sugar substitute, they have been a subject of controversy due to their potential link to cancer. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt the body's natural metabolic processes and promote tumor growth. It is advisable to limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and choose natural alternatives like stevia or honey. 7. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. Alcohol can damage DNA, impair the body's ability to metabolize nutrients, and increase estrogen levels, contributing to cancer development. It is recommended to consume alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. 8. Grilled and charred meats. When meats are cooked at high temperatures or exposed to an open flame, compounds called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, are formed. These compounds have been linked to various cancers, including those of the colon, stomach, and prostate. To minimize exposure, marinate meat before grilling and avoid charring or burning. 9. Canned foods. Canned foods often contain a chemical called bisphenol A, BPA, which has been associated with an increased risk of cancer and other health problems. BPA can leach into the food from the lining of the cans. Opt for fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables whenever possible, or choose BPA-free canned products. 10. Artificial food additives. Certain artificial food additives, such as artificial colors, like red 40 and yellow 6, artificial flavors, and preservatives, like BHA and BHT, have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. These additives may contain harmful chemicals or undergo chemical reactions in the body that can lead to DNA damage or disruption of normal cellular processes. It's best to choose whole, unprocessed foods and read labels carefully to avoid these additives. 11. Hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenated oils, also known as trans fats, are commonly found in processed snacks, baked goods, and margarine. These fats increase inflammation, raise LDL cholesterol levels, and have been associated with an increased risk of cancer. Opt for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. 12. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn bags are often lined with perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a chemical that has been linked to an increased risk of kidney, bladder, liver, and pancreatic cancers. Additionally, the artificial butter flavoring used in microwave popcorn contains diacetyl, a compound associated with lung cancer when inhaled in large quantities. Instead, opt for air-popped popcorn or make your own using organic kernels. 13. Non-organic produce with high pesticide residue. Conventionally grown fruits and vegetables may contain pesticide residues, which can potentially increase the risk of cancer. The Environmental Working Group, EWG, releases an annual Dirty Dozen list, highlighting the produce with the highest pesticide residue. Whenever possible, choose organic options or wash and peel fruits and vegetables to reduce exposure. 14. Smoked and pickled foods. Foods that undergo smoking or pickling processes, such as smoked meats, pickled vegetables, and salt-cured fish, often contain high levels of nitrites and nitrates. These compounds can convert into potentially cancer-causing substances in the body. Limit your consumption of these foods and opt for fresh alternatives. 15. Sugary snacks and desserts. Highly processed sugary snacks, cookies, cakes, and desserts not only contribute to weight gain but can also lead to chronic inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are associated with cancer development. Choose healthier options like fresh fruits, homemade treats using natural sweeteners, or dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. While it's impossible to completely eliminate the risk of cancer through dietary choices alone, reducing the consumption of cancer-causing foods can significantly contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins while minimizing processed and unhealthy options. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a big impact on reducing your risk of cancer and promoting a healthier lifestyle.